All right, stream should be working now. Absolutely, let's go. Quickly share this on the socials, then we can go over the NASDAQ. Okay. Okay. Let's have a quick look at the higher time frame on NASDAQ, because we had a dump again this morning. Yesterday we held this new week opening gap the whole day, but today we opened below it and we have been trading below it the whole day. Then when London opened, there was a crazy pump. I'm going to show you in a minute on a lower time frame. That caused us to test back that N walk and tap into the N dog we made today. And from there on, just a massive reaction down again. So the trend is also down until proven otherwise. Yeah, as you can see right here, it was in the London session. Probably, probably, I know for certain there's something with news that came out that had this huge of an impact on the market. There's also a great place for the market to trade towards, because a lot of liquidity is in that move. But New York is gonna decide our trading plan for the day here, because London and after London was just shit. Not a really interesting price action to use. No moves to play. So I hope New York can give us something, because tonight we have Powell speaking. So I will not be trading tonight. Yeah, 7:30 my time, Amsterdam. Then Powell is speaking, so I will not be trading. New York can also go up, take out all this liquidity, then move to the data low, or it can even take out all this liquidity we left behind after the London session. Zeldris, welcome back, brother. Powell's talking today or tomorrow. No, he's talking today, man. I don't know which time zone you're in, but UTC +2, it's at 7:30 p.m. I can have a quick look what it is on New York time. New York, New York, New York. Oh. Yeah, that's... Oh. It's not updating. Oh, okay. But it is today. If you're in New York, it's the end of the afternoon, probably. you taken any trades already, Zeldris, or not yet? Not really, no. I understand the market is not doing really great things yet. It's building though, it's building. I can have a look at Dow Jones for you, because I know you were trading that yesterday. Yeah, we rejected from the point I drew in yesterday. After that liquidity grab, just like NQ started moving towards. This music is a bit loud for me. That's better. Have you had a look on stocks like Nvidia? I can go over it in a moment. I think I charted Nvidia yesterday, so I will have a look at it in a second. But the Dow Jones, yeah, after taking this liquidity and in this supply, you started taking liquidity from the lows. Pretty much the same as NQ, down until proven otherwise. Still holding this NDOG. This is a crazy wick. Yeah, there's obviously some support here because of the price action we had over there. So this would be another POI for the market to maybe build something to look for longs again. But right now I would be bearish until proven otherwise. Yeah, pretty much looking the same as NASDAQ. Let's quickly go over Nvidia. Drew in some scenarios because we have this really high time frame range. We had a distribution going. It hit the technical target. It deviated the range low once again. And right now I'm looking if Nvidia can create something to move up again. I have this demand in my chart because it's your extreme demand in this move. Maybe it can build something from there. It also can take out extreme liquidity or take out the range low. So that are 3 POIs for me to look at when price gets there. As you can see right now, just build up liquidity on this move up and on this open take out everything that was left behind. Yeah, I would be waiting for more upside in these zones. That's pretty much it for Nvidia. Where do you trade Forex, by the way? Looking for a good broker. I don't trade Forex yet. I haven't looked into any good brokers. Maybe Trading Cage knows something. I know he looked into Forex a bit more than me. So
I was a part of Owanda for a bit.
yeah.
I did like their systems, but my problem with trading Forex is literally the meta trader. I don't like it. Of course, it's just getting used a bit to a system, but I'm not sure if Fate offers Forex. I'm not sure. Maybe they just offer futures, but
Yeah.
for Forex, it would depend on own experience, man. Everyone has its own experiences with brokers. I know someone who's with IC Markets. I know someone who's with Think Markets. So it depends, man. Just read about it and get to some conclusion. I cannot give you advice about a broker.
No, me neither. It's always you can always try some different brokers out and stick with the one you like the most. So As Kate said, it's most of the times also personal preference. I'm not gonna draw that in. Can get interesting here if we move down. We have this pullback in the move up. If you can close below that again, protect the high, then maybe they can give away short at least the data low and this liquidity pool of London. Hmm. How did Levi open? Pretty neutral. Your stop losses at break even, Cage? Or already
A
somewhere in
bit,
profit?
yeah, at least a bit in profit for
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah. Okay.
It's already taking a little bit of profit. So if we do start to trade below 14.29 now, then my stop loss will get
Yeah.
drilled down with it.
Now you have a nice de-risk over here. Absolutely.
Yeah, but still we're good in profit, so we're
Yep.
chilling.
Microsoft running as well. Oh, that's a bearish open for you.
Yeah, Microsoft was crazy. I mean, technical target is 368, so I just couldn't take the Microsoft trades because
Full port on
I was
Levi.
I had to use my whole balance to get to a good risk level
Yeah.
on stocks. Yeah, can use that much leverage.
Well, at least one has been played and
I
not
need
missed.
to dive a bit deeper in the sharing ability of eToro.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
Because I need to put that on the streams as well.
Yep. 100%.
The fees do surprise me though. It's pretty high.
Apple, I'm looking at this PY for a long. Um, because we managed to break some structure towards the upside. This is the low to hold because that low brought you towards new highs. In that move, we also made this nice demand, so it's a good place to look for longs on Apple.
keep that low so and you can search for upsides.
Absolutely.
I'm not sure what. Oh yeah.
Oh my Tesla chart.
Not really. Surprisingly, that Nvidia opens -5%. Look at what what's below that price. It's not even by selling power. It's just everyone getting stopped out. Such a big liquidity drill. So
yeah,
crazy.
this is crazy.
Then you can expect a dump like that for sure. Yeah.
Free to take out. AMD also pretty bad. Oh yeah, that's pretty much the same as
Ooh.
Nvidia. Big liquidity drill.
Tesla looks insane. We charted yesterday with the extreme liquidity. We touched that extreme liquidity, started breaking down.
Yeah.
I
Also
don't
in
like
your
this
end
opening
walk,
though.
this
Way
supply
too
as well.
low. You're at your liquidity, and now the technical target is just 240 for Tesla. So all of this is still aligning with NQ. We are expecting more downside
Yep.
to 17,900 on NQ. That's a lot of ticks, but it is our expectations. Ooh. You need to look at NQ here.
Did we close below? Oh, not yet, but
Doesn't matter if we close below there.
no, but this is already looking good.
We have the SMT on the highs, the SMT on the low is gonna remove soon. Leave open that high and we can short.
Yep.
There we go, remove the SMT of the low. I'm not scared of the New York AM SMT if ES takes it. This is just wait for retracement and then see if we can inverse a gap towards the downside. Target would be your data low. From there you need to watch out. So the RR needs to be good.
Macro as well. Really aligning here.
Sure.
Gold is so crazy. A big pump from yesterday again.
Of course, bro. We're at all-time highs. There to
yeah,
break.
this is insane.
No reason
Locally
to
some support right now as well.
look for any shorts.
Oh, gold? No way.
I don't like trading in these circumstances. So. On gold, at least.
Okay, he has already to go to low. Doesn't matter. Could get really nice if you have that SMT and can lure in some buyers to push price up, leave open the high and give us an entry.
Yeah. Just testing your 2 minute
Yeah,
gap
yeah,
and
yeah.
continuing. That's really how AQ or at least always the market open goes.
If you have a strong draw on liquidity, you have a strong,
Yeah, but even if placing that order with your stop loss above the eye, there's no
not
RR
interesting.
to.
No, no, no.
You cannot expect us to go through London low here. It's just not. You can just not expect that.
Yes, it has a long way to go to the data candle.
Yeah, but I don't want to see that as an SMT though. I don't think it's relevant.
And let's see if this will be enough for the market or if it's just gonna dump down and also take
I
out London low.
still do want to check if you just place an order in the middle of that 2 minutes, because of course your draw towards that data low was pretty much confirmed.
Absolutely.
We knew that, but how much RR is it? Yeah, 1.5. It's not great. You at least want 2 RR for your first TP. And 3 RR, yeah, you cannot
Then
just take that.
only London low would be interesting to take out, but you can't expect from the market to also take out that London low. It can happen, of course, but
Yeah, it could still really consolidate a long time. So,
it's a point where you want to take profits. If you can't take profits, you can't take the trade. It's really simple.
nice reaction from the data.
Yeah.
Well, it's not even a surprise, those things, but of course.
For us, no. Seldris, if you're still here, are there some charts you are looking at, or someone else in the stream that is looking at something and wants me to look at it as well? I was looking at Netflix, and you have this new week opening gap here where you can hold support because below there's a lot of liquidity. But Cage, before you had that break of structure, it's on the 4 hour, I believe. 4 hour structure you broke towards the upside. On your 1 hour, you have this low that brought you to breaking that high. If price takes out that low, would that make any difference for you?
Well, if we take out that low and we don't react from it, then we're just gonna go go way lower. But if we do react from it, we're still holding structure.
Yep.
Doesn't have to hold holds that opening gap. Doesn't have to. Structure is more important. But it would be important if we do hold our structure to flip the end dog again.
Yeah, it's pretty clear. Netflix is gonna need something to move up again, because it took out your last liquidity from this whole down move, and after that you started trading down. So probably gonna need something from these this big liquidity trail.
Doesn't have to.
If it builds for itself, yeah. Doesn't have to, no. If enough people are
Grabbing liquidity.
prepared to buy again, then it's then it's also good enough to pump up again.
Oh, so look to the left, major support resistance level. And 1 hour trend is still up, so we don't need liquidity per se. Testing that end dog is basically also grabbing liquidity. Touching a demand is also grabbing liquidity. Moving down into this huge fair value gap is also grabbing liquidity.
Took out London low on NQ.
Yeah. Oh, we reacted from it, I see.
Yep.
Not much. I think it's an
Also,
SMT, right?
yeah.
Yeah, if we do trade above this 1 minute high and we start to protect that low, then sure, we have long triggers. Yeah, for sure. You have trend link above. Sure. But not there yet. Man, can't wait to get a few payouts and trade on eval. Then I can just play these things and let it run. And it
Yeah,
doesn't matter.
absolutely. It's so different on evals. But we're getting there. Patience is key for us right now. Let's see what happens if we can gain these gaps. If I said. There's nothing really below this as well, right? No. And then it's just this big liquidity pool of session lows that's left. Nothing to the left anymore. No, that's it. Oh. Yeah, not a weird place for the market to go up again. Let's also share this in the Discord real quick. Talking about the Discord, it's a community we're trying to build for like-minded people to talk about the market when we're not streaming. Because yes, we share a lot on YouTube, but we can't share everything there, and we can share a lot more in the Discord. Things like this, then we just share our thoughts on the market, what we want to see for a trade to happen, and also a great place to discuss the market generally. Maybe Cage can quickly share a link of the Discord in the live chat for the viewers.
Well, there's your new high.
Yep. Let's see if it's gonna retrace and build something, or if we can catch some continuation somewhere. Because it can also just pump up from here, like New York tends to do a lot. We made a bullish down.
Timing is right, so it's great.
Yeah, are we willing to risk that higher low now? If you play this, you are gonna predict a higher low there and hope price is gonna go up from there again. I don't know what you are willing to wait for. Are you waiting for that confirmation with leaving open the low?
100%.
Yeah. Okay.
A 1 minute structure break and a clear 5 minutes pull back up.
It's
you need to wait for the
tricky.
confirmation here. But for sure need to be prepared. Can go fast. But also have to go to the toilet. So
Same.
that means there's a trade coming.
Yeah, same. I mean, It doesn't really matter if it's not gonna make a pullback here, because it can always do that after taking that 5 minute structure, come down again and
Sure.
then go up.
Sure.
It's also,
Best would be here though.
of course. But it would not be the first time for the market to take out a higher time frame structure and then build something on the higher low again. So this already is a really nice V shape up.
Clear structure break. Just wait now. Just in first 3 minutes, so that's where you're getting this reaction from. Let's just hope it makes a pullback and a bearish gap. That's all we need.
Yeah.
I need to go to the toilet. Still have a bit of time, so that's fine. Or else you need to call me.
Oh, I will call. I will scream call everything. There's an alarm going off then. You gained everything, so. No entry here, definitely. Not even a market entry if you're aggressive and want to play this inverse already. Because yes, you can expect a nice up move when you take out your liquidity of this whole move. Also took out the data low, SMT with the session low, so that's really good confluences for a reversal for price to take out all the liquidity that has been left behind. But I'm not playing those things. My strategy is really passive but effective. It's waiting for a gain like this, for the market to make a pullback, leave open a low, and then look for an entry in that move and target new highs from there. So that's pretty much what we're waiting for right here. Let's quickly look at yes. Yeah. Yes, SFP at high, but it's really weak because it didn't take out London low yet. So of course it's a bit weaker than NQ right now. But that's good for us. Let's look at some stocks if important places have been hit there. No, not really.
Would you look at that?
We're getting pullback vibes here.
Let's see if we can leave that gap.
Last
a beautiful
5 minutes.
place.
Last 5 minutes of macro. Well, not of macro, but last 5 minutes for us to place a trade. We don't have really long anymore with the macro. But as we all know, macro sets things up, and after macro,
Always.
the play is playing out.
We get convincing moves, then I know.
Oh, if we're gonna make that high-low here, beautiful.
This gap is beautiful. Beautiful location.
Yeah, if you manage to make that high-low here, then it's gonna be really juicy.
Maybe even little local SMT.
Yeah, yes is weak because it wants to take out London low, of course. Yeah, if you get that local SMT, then we have a unicorn in our hands. Well, close to a unicorn. Oh yeah. The only thing not aligning is the 5 minute, but which gap are you looking at? 1 minute or 2 minute?
1 minute.
Yeah, okay. Yes, really wants that low. Probably gonna end the stream in a sec as well. I mean, macro's over. Our plan is pretty clear. If we manage to leave open this low and give us an entry somewhere, we're in it. And if you trade below the low again, yeah, then not really much to see. That's
Oh,
power for you. Gonna gain your first 1 minute here.
you can end the stream.
Okay.
Tim,